2015, and I am going to explain on how I usually take my lecture notes during class. So the pictures that are shown before this video are actually my grammar notes that I recently took during grammar class. So as you can see, I usually take notes in my small notebook that I bring everywhere, and I literally write everything in here. So these are my grammar notes. As you can see, I use highlighters to differentiate between topics, and I also use the same pen because I find colored pens a hassle. And I even use I don't use that much colors when I take notes because I think it's a hassle, because I only use blue and red pens, just to differentiate or highlight important facts. So as you can see, I don't write down every single thing my lecturer says, or I don't write every single thing that is written on the slide. I only write down short forms or important sentences that I need to reread over and over again to understand the topic. I usually write down things that I think I don't know, and things that I think are interesting and should be remembered. So I only write the important facts, and I underline the important words, as you can see. So that's how I take my lecture notes, and I usually reread them again after class. So these are the reasons why note-taking skills are very important to us, especially students. This is because we understand ourselves better. So when we take notes, we have to make sure that we are able to understand what we have written when we read them again after class. Note-taking skills, or the ability to take notes, gives us the ability to organize the information, which makes our understanding more better, and it provides us more concentration, especially when we are trying to write everything the lecturer says. It makes us concentrate more on whatever the lecturer is saying, thus making our understanding towards the subject better. And it also builds interest towards the subject, because when we use various methods such as using colored pens or using various techniques or patterns when we jot down our notes, it gives us the sense of interest, and we become more passionate about the subject. And whenever we take notes, when we read them again, it also improves our academic performance. We would get better results if we refer our notes. Sometimes we don't really prefer using the textbooks to self-study, but we prefer using our notes. So this is why it is important. This is why note-taking skills are very important. So the problems that I usually face when I'm trying to take notes during class is the distractions around me, such as friends or the things that I think of that are not related to whatever I'm learning, and also the surroundings around me. Other than that, sometimes I don't really concentrate on whatever the lecturer is saying, or look at the slides at the front, because I am too distracted. Other than that, sometimes I tend to not be able to identify the important facts and the less important facts, so I end up writing everything down and wasting my time. Sometimes when the lecturer is talking in front, I don't understand what the lecturer is saying, so I don't know what to write in my notes. Other than that, sometimes I find my notes pretty boring, so I try to find other ways to make notes, which makes me a little bit confused when I read them again. So those are my problems when I am trying to take notes during class.